Good evening, everybody. I'm the Daily Trader. It is December 28th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. Let's start with the VIX. So VIX is up a little bit. So it's up 0.49. That's 2.26%. Closed at 22.14. So let's look at what this looks like on the chart. So VIX is going up. VIX is going up. How can I say it's going up? Because we are making higher lows. This one not, but this one yes. So we are making higher lows. We are not really making higher highs that much yet. But we see this little bit of a trend up. At some point, VIX is going to have to decide, should I break around 22.42 and start going up a little bit further, which would mean that the stock market would be going down as a whole because when the VIX is going up, the stock market is pretty much going down. If we look at the stochastic, we are also seeing that stochastic is increasing right here. We have RSI increasing, and we have a DMI almost a crossover bullish for DMI, where the green line is almost above the red line. So maybe we are going to start having a little bit of a move up. The significant move up that we need to look at is 23.82. Yes, if we move up under 23.82, yeah, it won't be a big move in the stock market. But if we start going higher than 23.82, then as what happened around September of this year, we had this big move up. What did happen with the stock market? Let's look at Dow Jones September. This is September here. Boom. We had the move back. So yeah, let's stay with Dow Jones. So Dow Jones is still maintaining itself in its downtrend after having a nice bull trend right here. It had a nice bull trend, but then it could not break this resistance right here. This is why it's called a resistance. A resistance is a point where people don't want to buy higher. They say, nope, this is the price. I don't want to buy higher than this price. I don't want to. And what we do with technical analysis is that we are only looking at the facts. The facts are the trades that have happened between buyers and sellers, and we see the trends in those trades. We see the trend in those trades. We see the prices where the buyers don't want to buy above it, and we see the prices where the sellers don't want to sell below it. Yeah, this is not tarot reading. In tarot, you are picking a card that has a symbol on it. This is not what we are doing here. We are reading the high, the low, and the close of every single day. This is something that you can find in the business section of a newspaper. Remember newspapers in the past? This is what you found in the news section. Open, high, low, close. This is what we are looking at. But instead of just looking at the numbers on the newspaper, we are plotting those numbers, and we see a lot of interesting things because we are plotting those numbers. This is what technical analysis is. It was invented in the 1900s by Charles Dow, the creator of the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the Dow Jones Index. He is the founder of the Wall Street Journal. This is not tarot reading material. This is plotting actual numbers, actual real numbers, actual facts. Okay, the rant is over. Yeah, we are in a downward channel, but we are rebounding a little bit on this support. Let's look at S&P 500. The S&P 500 is not in a good position right here. So we had a support at 3,800, at 3,800, and we just lost that support today. We have had this support since December 19th. So we were maintaining ourselves above this. But today we are breaking lower than that. This could be seen as a shorting opportunity because we have a break in support. So we had a little bit of a congestion zone right here. And then people lost faith, and sellers were abdicating and were happy to sell at a lower price. This is not a good sign. Because this is not a good sign, we can use this sign as a short signal and then start shorting the S&P 500. Because also we don't have a stochastic over 60. This is an indicator that is telling us the strength in that stock index. And the strength is absolutely low. And we need the strength of 60 in order to have a bull trend. So we don't have that. And we have sellers that have abdicated. And as I said in my Tesla video today, if you want to just be a little bit more cautious, you can wait for a second confirming candle below that same support, because sometimes we have one candle that breaks the support and the next one comes back up to it. This is my deconstruction. You do what you want and you do your own research and you make your own decisions. Okay, Nasdaq, not looking good at all. We closed down 139.94. That's 1.35%. Closed at 10,213. And we just lost the support that we had here. We lost the support. You can again wait for a second candle confirmation, but basically this is not looking good. Stock market is coming down. Tesla is also pretty much going down with a lower high and lower low. This is not the time to go long in the market, my friends. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.